Good morning, everyone. It is currently 7:46 in the morning, and you thought I was going to keep you waiting, but guess what? If you saw my last video, we are doing the install of the StreetHunter carbon fiber front lip today. Yeah, wow. It's 28 degrees, and it is snowing outside. I think it's going to be easier to do if I move the car like diagonal right here. So you're going to get a 28 degrees cold start right here. Here's what we're looking at before. This was the splitter for the ground effects option, which came with the side skirts as well. So it's painted carbon flash. It looks nice, but it's pretty small, doesn't stand out too much. And in here we've got our new and improved StreetHunter carbon fiber front lip, which just looks so nice. Let's go ahead and get this baby out. Okay, wow, that's a much bigger difference than I initially thought. I didn't get to show the product nearly as much as I wanted in the last video, so I'm going to do a really quick montage of it before it's on the car, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Alright, it's time to start taking off the old one, so I'm going to get a little montage going. Alright boys, we finally got this front splitter off. This has obviously scraped on the ground a couple of times. So, it's the old one, out with the old, in with the new. Wow, this one looks so much better in comparison. Wow, is a comparison right there? Jeez. The StreetHunter is so much more aggressive. Obviously the carbon fiber looks better, but not only that, it just comes out a whole lot further, and it's got like this aggressive, I don't know, it comes out and then it slopes down, make the car look lower. All right, we got our hardware. Let's begin the install. Okay, I had to take a break from installing for a minute, folks. As I explained earlier, I couldn't find a jack that would work and these ramps weren't working. So I'm just laying on my shoulder and kind of like cramming under there to try to screw those in, and it's cramped under there. So taking a little breather, but it's basically in place. And wow, I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up on camera because it's kind of in the dark there, but that made a huge difference. Like, it just gives a whole meaner stance. It's almost like it widened out the front and it juts out further, which just looks sick. I'm super, super happy with how that looks. That front end just looks so much more aggressive than with the, and this wasn't even the stock splitter. This was the upgraded ground effects splitter, which was like a $6,000 option. And this still looks 5 times more aggressive. Sticks out way farther, it makes the car look lower, and the carbon just looks so nice. All right, y'all, so it's officially done. It looks amazing. Let me turn this around and show you. Look at that. Wow. All right, y'all, so that concludes the install. Overall, that was super simple. It looks amazing on the car. It totally transforms the front end. So far, my experience with StreetHunter has been top notch. It came in super nice packaging, protected well. I love how the banner looks on the car. And not to mention, the people over there are awesome. So if you're a 2020 Corvette owner, I highly recommend checking out the splitter from StreetHunter. It's a super easy install. You can do it in your own garage in 30 minutes without even jacking up your car. But if y'all made it this far and enjoyed the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. And seriously, if you're a 2020 Corvette owner, I'm going to leave the link to the product down below, so go check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.